Hey hello everyone, this is your boy Ash here. Today we are going to talk about the function called enumerate. So enumerate is a function where you can iterate a sequence while keeping track of the index. So let's consider this list. I'll go with my friend's name, Sanjay, Rajiv. So here, my primary goal is to print these elements, which I'll use the for loop. Which is very straightforward. Let's run this and go to my terminal. And here, yeah, it's very straightforward. It's coming up like Ashik, Sanjay, and Rajivan. And if you see our code, it's obviously there, the Ashik, Sanjay, and Rajivan. My secondary goal is to print the index while corresponding to the elements. So I'll declare an index variable initialized to 0, and here I'll format it with some curly braces and some arrow thing to represent it, and here I'll give index, and here we have to increment it by 1, so I'll give plus equal to 1. So basically this line means is index is equal to index plus 1. I recommend using this is called shorthand method. It is more efficient, so I'll delete this line. And here we'll output this. We'll go to our terminal. And as you guys can see, Ashik is 0, Sanjay is 1, Rajivan is 2, which is very straightforward because you can see in the list, the first element is Ashik and the index of it is 0. And the second element is Sanjay and the index will be 1. And the third element is Rajivan and the index will be 2, which is very straightforward. So as you guys can see here, we are using a temporary variable called index. And it is taken up to a couple of lines, which is not efficient in my case, so I'll use my enumerate function. It's very straightforward. I delete this, and here you obviously have to use a for loop, and here you have to take care of the variable names. First of all, the first variable will be your index number, so I'll give the index, and the second variable will be your elements. I'll give I, which is very classical, and here I'll put in operator, and you have to use the function called enumerate. Inside of the parentheses, you guys should pass the list, so it is LST, and here I'll print with some formatting, and here I'll put I corresponds, which will be represented with arrow with index. And if I run this, you guys can see the same output is coming. So basically this enumerate function can be used to keeping track of the index without declaring any kind of temporary variables. So if you guys come across any kind of logic like this, make sure to use enumerate. Thank you.